Hi guys, how's it going? Today we're replacing the air filter on my 2005 Nissan Bluebird Sylphy. Right, so it's actually an easy task to do. For it to be able to remove this plastic here, there's only 4 clips. One here, 2, 3 on the back, and number 4. Alright. That one, and your filters should just slide right out. Very, very dirty. I'm not sure when this was last changed. After taking off the air filter, you might want to check inside if there's any debris. In this case, there's none. Where from this angle you can definitely see how dirty the old filter is. Let's flip it the other way around. Anyways, let's have a look at the new one. Very nice feel to the rubber parts, and there's like some metal parts here compared to the old one that doesn't have one. This definitely looks more flash than the old one. Alright, so it's gonna we're gonna be installing it like that. Pretty much looks like upside down, like that. Alright, so we'll slide it in. Alright, snap the clips back. We're done. Alright, so that's how easy it is to replace your engine air filter. Alright, so the air filter for the Nissan says that it needs to be replaced at 60 and 120, so I'm pretty much spot on. Right, so that's it, guys. Easy way to DIY. It's actually very easy. I was so surprised it was that easy. So you pretty much just have to buy something from your auto shop, and you can probably, well, I did it in like 3 minutes with recording time. Alright, see you guys. So we'll go have a look and check out the manual on how frequent this needs to be replaced.